Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henin kasngi kasitarek unai luar, ringkat berok kawai kari India, ha kejela Meghalaya ro Sdang ya kejerakhe ya kateo ke bakarpang, banyalap syakinong sosnong kari kamtam kilong kami, kumno ban aiba milaki khon, jongki kamtam makapor bikidang ren, kenang bakin yo eka kot kakya, onda kilahe lasan. Ya kani kejerakhe keberatep kum ke National Nutrition Week. Hakari hi berok kawai on rakhe nadu kasitarek hadu ka nyutrek mentau nailor. Bat kapang padeng jong kani kejerakhe kadai optimal infant and young child feeding practices better child health. Hanong ba shalong lasdangi kini kejerakhe da kejelang hnin kesngi. Ha conference hall jong katna social welfare. Ya kabala pelong da Community Food and Nutrition Extension Unit Ministry of Women and Child Welfare Shillong ringkat ka jingitray lang bakatna social welfare jong ka sarkar jela. Ha kani ka jelang hnin kasngi ka menteri ka bakmi ya kani katnan ikong amperin lingdo ilalong ka kongsan balai don lang ru ki wedi ki officer jong kani katnan balawan simenta da ki khot ki kan hon traimon sobha na kaleng ka jela ki banlej pen priang kalapat ya kani ka khubor sakinong songsnong hakisnong kitau.
Nutrition is usually associated with money. Nutrition is usually associated with the haves. And everybody is of the impression that nutrition can be bought in the market. These are the big misconceptions that mothers, parents have about the value of nutrition. And when Mr. Sdang waited for hours to meet me, I felt so bad, I just told him, okay, I will come. Because if there is anyone that needs to support a balanced diet, healthy balanced diet for our children, it should be an MLA, a woman MLA representing a constituency from urban city. If we want a healthy Meghalaya tomorrow, we have to put in the necessary hard work today. Being a mother myself, I now realize that all the well-advertised food, the well-packaged food that is available in the market for my child is not as important as the food that I make for her myself every morning. Very few of us would want to engage with the father of the family to say that, look, your wife should be cared for because the healthy fetus that is growing in her mind will only result in a healthy child.